Before buying a dance mat, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Fluize Dance Mat. The Fluize Dance Mat caught my eye because of its vibrant design and promise of engaging fun for kids aged 3 to 12. Priced at $63.15, it seems like a solid gift option for little dancers. If you want your child to have a blast while getting active, this is worth a serious look. This dance mat features 6 light-up buttons that respond to music, which means your kid can step on flashing arrows and really get into the groove. The 5 game modes ensure that they won't get bored easily, with options ranging from free dance to memory challenges. Plus, the Bluetooth connectivity allows their favorite tunes to play, making it even more fun to dance along. With over 1,000 units sold last month, parents are clearly loving it. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high for a dance mat. Here's the thing though, consider the hours of active play it offers and the joy it brings. For many kids, that's totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you have kids who love to dance and need a fun way to stay active. Skip this one if your child prefers quieter play or is easily frustrated with games. Now, if the price of the Fluize Dance Mat caught you off guard, the next one might surprise you with its affordability while still offering loads of fun. Product number 2, Zitrance Dance Mat. Next up is the Zitrance Dance Mat, which is designed for kids but can definitely bring joy to family game nights too. Priced at $50.52, it promises a fun, interactive experience. If you're looking for an affordable option that still provides excitement, this deserves your attention. What caught my eye with this mat is its upgraded 6-button layout that lights up. Kids can step on these buttons to the beat, making it super engaging for them. It has 5 different dance modes, which keeps things fresh and allows for varied challenges as your child improves. The Bluetooth feature is a huge plus, enabling them to connect their favorite music for a personalized dance party. With over 200 purchases last month, it's clearly a hit among parents. However, some users pointed out that the sound could be a bit low. I'll be real with you, that might be an issue in a noisy environment, but for at-home fun or smaller gatherings, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly dance mat that grows with your child's skills. Skip this if you need something with higher sound quality for larger spaces. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for family engagement. Product number 3, FWFX Dance Mat. The FWFX Dance Mat is a robust option designed for both kids and adults. At $197.58, it's on the higher end, but it brings a whole new level of fun and fitness into your living room. If you're serious about family fitness and fun, this one's worth looking into. This mat stands out with its ability to connect to your TV or computer, turning any space into a dance party. It offers over 149 dance tracks and 72 wireless games, ensuring everyone can find something they enjoy. Plus, it even includes camera games for a unique and interactive experience. The non-slip surface adds safety, and the durability means it can withstand energetic dance sessions. With 100 units sold last month, it's gaining traction in homes looking for active entertainment. That said, some buyers mentioned that it can take a bit of time to set up. I get it, that can be frustrating, but once it's up and running, the fun makes it all worth it, especially for family gatherings. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one dance and game solution for various ages. Skip this if you're looking for something simple and portable. Now, if the FWFX's setup time seems discouraging, keep watching because the next option is ready to roll right out of the box. Product number 4, Large Dance Mat Toy. Next, we have a large dance mat toy ideal for ages 3-12, priced around $50.52. Its larger size makes it great for multiplayer fun. If your children love to dance together, this could be the perfect fit. This dance mat offers 12 keys and a double user challenge game, which makes it exciting for kids to compete against each other. The size, measuring 59 by 38 inches, is perfect for active play without feeling cramped. Plus, it's a fantastic way to promote coordination and fitness while having fun. It has started gaining popularity with over 100 purchases last month. However, a few reviews pointed out that it may not be as durable as some higher-end models. Here's the thing though, for the price, it still offers a ton of entertainment value, especially for younger kids who might outgrow it. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, spacious option for multiple kids. Skip this one if you have older kids who need something more challenging. Now, if the potential fragility of this mat is a concern, let's look at a more durable option that's also budget-friendly. Product number 5, Xitrance Electronic Dance Mixer. Finally, we have the Xitrance Electronic Dance Mixer priced at $40.41. This is a great budget-friendly option that still packs a punch in terms of fun. If you want something simple yet entertaining for kids, this might just be the one. This mat features LED lights synchronized with music, which makes dancing an immersive experience. With 24 challenge levels, it offers a gradual increase in difficulty, keeping kids engaged as they improve their skills. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor play. With over 100 buyers last month, it's clearly appealing to parents looking for affordable options. However, some users expressed that the LED lights could be distracting. This is perfect for you if you want an engaging, interactive mat without breaking the bank. Skip this if you prefer a more advanced and durable setup. To sum it all up, each of these dance mats has its unique features catering to different needs. Whether you're looking for budget options, family fun, or interactive technology, there's a dance mat on this list for everyone. So we've covered a range of dance mats from the Fluoys for serious fun to the Xitrance for budget-friendly options. Each has its strengths and caters to different ages and needs. Find what fits your family best and get ready to groove.